Well, we saw a lot of sun once again today. As we head into your evening, our skies remain mostly clear. Just a couple clouds here and there to mix in with the late day sun. Let's take a wider look at what's happening. We have some clouds and even some rain heading through portions of northern Mississippi and Alabama and over to near Atlanta. Let's take a closer look at that on our live radar. We're tracking some showers and thunder north of Birmingham and a couple of showers on the north side of Atlanta. Now, these are actually part of a weak frontal boundary that's going to head through our area tonight. But all of this here is going to fall apart as we lose daytime heating in the next 2 to 4 hours. So I don't see any of that making it into our area. Now I'm going to show you, though, our model here as we go through tonight has us mostly clear to start the evening. It does show a very small chance of a shower around 11 o'clock. Now I don't think that's very likely, but it's not impossible because, as I mentioned, there is going to be a weak boundary heading south. It's going to switch our wind direction and make it just a little less warm as we head through tomorrow. And speaking of tomorrow, we'll wake up to mostly clear skies at 8 o'clock. And heading through the day, we'll have plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds mixing in through 4 p.m. Now let's take a look at where your temperatures are right now. Very warm. We hit 90 at the Savannah Airport this afternoon. Right now we're down to 87. Ridgeland, you're at 84 degrees. It's a warm 85 in Glenville and 87 in Metter. Now let's take a look at your wind direction here. Wind is mainly out of the west to northwest today. That's going to change overnight. Watch the wind arrows. They're going to go to north-south as we head through tomorrow. And that's going to just allow our temperatures to be a little lower than today and should help to feel less muggy too. So it's going to be a little bit of a difference in how it feels out there for tomorrow. But still, temperatures will be above average. We will start off mostly clear, 66 degrees at 8 o'clock. As we head through 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll have lots of sun, a high of about 86. So about 2 to 4 degrees less warm than today, but still running several degrees above the seasonal average, which is close to 80. Tides tonight will include a high tide at 8:50 this evening out at Tybee. Another high tide tomorrow morning just after 9 o'clock. Meanwhile, out on the water, we're looking at some ideal boating conditions if you happen to have plans for that. Heading all the way into the early part of the weekend, seas will only be running at 1 to 2 feet. Your latest pollen report shows that we have moderate levels of weed pollen, low grass pollen, and mold is also moderate. We zero in on your weekend forecast. Still don't see any change there. We've been talking all week about sunshine and warm temperatures, and I still see it being sun and clouds Saturday and Sunday, and highs in the mid to upper 80s. Here's your entire Storm Tracker 7-day forecast, and I don't see our next good chance of rain until maybe around Tuesday. The models are showing a cold front arriving that day, so we could see some showers. Otherwise, lots of 80s for the next several days, warm afternoons, and Kevin and Jennifer, some pleasant nights.